Alright, hi Esme, hi Ivy. We're going to put some bees in a hive here, and this is what's called a package of bees. And there's probably about 10,000 bees in there, and they're all around the queen bee. So this is Ryan. This is Ryan's hive, and we're going to put the bees in here. So, alright, so we'll just pry this top off. So inside this package there's probably about 10,000 bees and one queen bee. And there's a can of sugar water in there that the bees are all gathered around, and that's what they eat while they're inside this package. And there's also a queen in there, and she's in a queen cage. And I'll show you that cage once we take her out. So the first thing we have to do is we need to pry this off. And we need to take the queen cage out.